मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. After a glittering career spanning over 3 decades in the Hindi film industry, Shah Rukh Khan has finally secured one of the most prestigious honors of his journey, the National Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role. The recognition comes for his powerhouse performance in Jawan, directed by Atli, which stormed the box office and collected more than 640 crore rupee across languages, briefly holding the record as well as the highest grossing Hindi film ever. The superstar, who is currently in Poland shooting for King with filmmaker Siddharth Anand, is expected to fly down to Delhi to personally receive the award from President of India, Draupadi Murmu. Traditionally, a national award winner in the Best Actor category is presented with a medal and a certificate and a cash of prize of 2 lakh rupee. However, in Shah Rukh Khan's case, the prize money will be halved as he is sharing the honor with Vikrant Massey. Vikrant was jointly named Best Actor for his critically acclaimed role in Bandhu Vinod Chopra's 12th Fail. Now, as per the award results and rules, both actors will receive individual medals and certificate, but the cash component will be split equally, meaning they will each receive 1 lakh rupee. This year's award has seen several other categories also being shared among multiple winners. For instance, the Best Actor in a Supporting Role is jointly awarded to Vijay Raghavan for Pookalaham and M.S. Bhaskar for Parking. Similarly, the Best Actress in a Supporting Role is shared between Janki Bodewala for Vansh and Urvashi for Yulozoku. The Best Child Artist Award is notably divided among several young performers, included Sukriti Veni Bendradiri for Gandhi Tatha Chetu, Kabir Kandrare for Crispy, and Risha Thospar for Srinaz Polikar and Bharav Jaspat for Nal 2. Now, other still split honors include the Best Original Screenplay, which went to Sai Rakesh for Baby and Ram Kumar Balakrishnan for Parking, and the Best Biographical Historical Reconstruction Compilation Film, which was jointly awarded to Mobo Mogan and Lentino O, A Light of the Eastern Horizon. For Shah Rukh Khan, however, this award is more than just another addition to his long list of accolades. Having ruled Bollywood as its biggest star for decades, this marks his first ever national award win, making it a historic and emotional moment, not just for him, but also for millions of fans and colleagues, many of whom have been quick to celebrate what they described as a long-term victory. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app, follow us on various social media platforms.